Hey guys, Jack from Half Chrome. I've got something different today. This is a big old plane, and I'm going to have to put it together. This is the Sonic Binary. It's a 1200 millimeter plane. That's just shy of 4 feet in terms of wingspan. Twin rotor propeller plane. It's a big one. Let's put it together. Here it is. Here is the Sonic Binary. This 4-foot wingspan actually is just a little shy of 4 feet. This thing is an absolute monster. It is a big old plane. Now, planes aren't my thing. And in fact, I kind of messed up ordering this one. I didn't order the motor kit with it. So this is a twin prop plane. Now this kit, the plane itself is about $100. And that's going to cost you about another $100 to get the motors and the ESCs and all the things you need to actually get it in the air. So you're looking at $200 to $250 depending on lights and landing gear and receivers and things like that. So depending on what you want to do with this, you know, it's going to cost you at least $200. Now, it is pretty well built. Certainly can hold a payload. FPV camera. They put a 360-degree camera and put this thing up in the air. When I say they, I mean Sonic model did. The flaps are pre-molded. It's pretty easy to kind of get inside of it to add your receivers and your motors and everything you need to do. But yeah, and we're using magnets. You heard that snap. Magnets to keep those components in place. So it's super cool. Now this is actually my second plane. The first one was the XKX520. That's a vertical takeoff and landing, and actually a whole lot of fun to fly. Definitely something I would look into if you're into planes or drones, because it's kind of a combination of the two, being a vertical takeoff and landing vehicle, or a VTOL drone. So let me know what you think. Should I be flying more planes? Do you guys want to see this and other planes like it in the air, or should I stick to quads? Maybe convert to some RC ground action. Everybody loves a good remote control car. Anyway, leave a comment below to let me know what you think. Hey guys, one more thing before I go. There's a fellow drone lover, Daniel Youngblood, going through some rough times. Got some cancer, lost his foot, horrible stuff. Anyway, great dude, loves drones, runs a Facebook group, and also has a YouTube channel. Check out DZ's drone reviews. But anyway, raising some money for him. Check out the link below in the description. Any money can help out. Hey, thanks guys, good luck, and happy flying.